Well, now we come to the types of writing. Narrative writing. This is using telling a story or recounts events. You are telling a story including character, setting, a problem, and resolution. What's the purpose? To entertain, inform, or reflect. Key features: characters and dialogue, plot, beginning, middle, end, descriptive language, first person or third person point of view, he, she, it, and this is an example of this. It's like a story. Activity: write a short story about a medical emergency from a nurse's point of view. Descriptive writing. Definition: descriptive writing uses sensory details to describe a person, place, object, or feeling. The purpose: to paint a picture in the reader's mind. Key features: uses 5 senses: sight, sound, smell, touch, and taste. Figurative language, similes, metaphors, rich vocabulary, focuses on one subject or image. Example: this is an example of this. Describe a hospital room without naming it. Use all 5 senses. Expository writing. Definition: expository writing is informational writing that explains a topic using facts and logical order. The purpose: to inform, explain, or define something. Key features: clear thesis statement, facts and examples, logical organization, compare, contrast, cause, effect, steps, no personal opinion. And this is an example of this activity. Write a paragraph explaining how to prevent the spread of infection in hospital. Persuasive or argumentative writing. Persuasive or argumentative writing presents an opinion and support it with evidence and reasoning to convince the reader. Purpose: to persuade or convince the audience. Clear position or opinion, supporting documents or arguments with facts or examples. Contra argument. Persuasive language. Example: this is an example of this activity. Write a paragraph arguing whether vaccination should be mandatory for healthcare workers. Analytical writing. Writing examines and interprets a subject or text, breaking it down into parts to understand how it works. The purpose: to analyze, to interpret, or evaluate. Key features: focus on examining how and why, uses evidence, codes, and data, third person voice, objective tone. Examples: this is an example of this. This is again table shows what I just explained. Narrative, the purpose includes, and this is an example. Descriptive, what is the purpose, includes what, and then an example. Okay. Matching the writing task with the types of writing. Write about your own experience as a medical intern. What kind of writing is this? Argue that night shifts should be shorter. What type of writing is that? Explain the process of CPR. What type of writing is this? Describe hospital emergency room. What type of writing is this? Analyze the impact of COVID-19 on education. What type of writing is this? Dear students, thank you very much. This is the end of our course. I wish you all good luck. And please, I wanted to focus on the last handout I just sent. Do the whole exercises, read whatever that on this handout practically, so that you will do well in the exam, and that is all. Thank you very much.